Don't we all love a great prawns dish? Well, for that we require a good clean prawns, and that is what exactly I am going to show you in this video. How we can clean and devein a prawns in two different ways. Coming up. Well, if a prawns is really clean and deveined properly, that adds to the taste and richness of a prawns dish. If the prawns is not cleaned properly or deveined properly, well, whatever the recipe of the prawns is, well, it can ruin the taste and fun of a prawns dish. Well, I have got some fresh banana prawns, and today I am going to show you how we can clean them. I have taken some fresh banana prawns. Now to clean this banana prawns and devein them, well, I just have got a knife. So what you have to do first is hold the prawns like this and slowly just twist the head. So the head will come off. Keep the head aside so that we can make a good prawn stock out of this. Well, you can check on the top of the screen. I have shared a card where I have shown you how we can make stock out of these prawns heads. Well, then we have to remove the shell of it. So first is you have to remove the legs. So you can just hold the legs, press it so that the legs will be removed. Remove all the legs. And then later on, you can see that how the shell is now opened up. You can just peel off the shell very easily. Now to remove the tail, just press on the end of the tail with your fingers. Just give it a light press and then just pull the prawns slowly like this. So you can see there is nothing inside the shell. So now we have to devein this. So the prawns shell is removed. Now the final thing is we have to devein it. So for deveining it, well, you have to just cut open slightly on the back of the prawns like this. And then you can see the black dirt in it. Just slightly remove it. Use your hand and slightly the entire vein will be taken off like this, and that is it. This is how simple cleaning a prawns is. Let's look at it again. Hold the head like this, hold the body like this, and just twist it and pull. That's it. The head comes off easily. Then you press the legs and pull again. The legs come off easily. And then put your thumb in between the shell and then just peel off. That's how simple it is. Now hold the tail, press it slightly and just give it a wiggle. That's it. Now to devein it, cut open the back of the prawns slightly and then see the black thing, put your knife in and remove it slightly. You don't want to eat this at all. Well, this will make you sick, so definitely you shouldn't be eating this. And that is it. The prawns is clean. Another way to do it is you can use scissors. So what you can do is, you don't want to get your hands dirty, just cut the head, then cut the tail, then cut the legs, and that's it. Then you just peel it. There you go. Finally, let's devein it. Well, this will go in the trash. The prawns head, I will make a beautiful stock out of it. And here are our cleaned, deveined prawns.